Hi everyone! I'm back! Yes, I'm Jenna Hermana Hatiko. And for today's video, I'm going to discuss how language acquisition takes place on the theory presented. So, without further ado, let's start. But before we will start, let's define what is language acquisition. Language acquisition is the process by which humans acquire the capacity to perceive and comprehend language, as well as to produce and use words and sentences to communicate. To put it simply, it is the process whereby children learn their native language or their first language. In interlanguage, they develop a second language which preserves some features of their first language and can also overgeneralize some writing and speaking rules. According to Lara Silenker, interlanguage is a mental system of second knowledge, which entails a continuum of evolving system which included the following premises. First is the learner construct a system of abstract linguistic rules. Second, the learner's grammar is permeable. Third, the learner's grammar is transitional. Fourth, the learner's construct contains variable rules, and so on and so forth. There are four aspects in interlanguage. These are social, discourse, psycholinguistic, and linguistic. In social aspect of interlanguage, second language acquisition can be viewed as long-term convergence towards native speaker norms. In discourse aspects of interlanguage, according to Krashen, second language acquisition depends on comprehensible, while Michael Long's interaction hypothesis emphasized the importance of comprehensible input, but claims that it's most effective when it is modified through negation of meaning. In the psycholinguistic aspect of interlanguage, it studied the mental structure and process involved in the acquisition and use of language. And the last one in the interlanguage aspects is the linguistic. The linguistic difference influences the ease with which learners are able to learn relative clauses. So, those are the four aspects of interlanguage, and we already know their importance and roles. So, let's proceed to our main topic, which is how language acquisition takes place on the theories. There are three theories: the acquisition theories of phonology, where the children's error in pronunciation is not random, but rule-governed. In morphology, the constructed rules is shown when children treat irregular verbs and nouns as regular. The theory of second language acquisition. This theory is widely known and well accepted because of its large impact in all areas of second language research and teaching. In this theory, Krashen had a theory of second language acquisition that consists of five main hypotheses. These are the acquisition learning hypothesis, monitor hypothesis, input hypothesis, affective filter hypothesis, and natural order hypothesis. The acquisition learning is the most fundamental of the five hypotheses of Krashen's theory, and the most widely known among linguistic and language teachers. The monitor hypothesis explains the relationship between acquisition and learning, and defines the influence of the latter of the former. The input hypothesis explains how the learner acquires a second language, how second language acquisition takes place. The affective filter hypothesis embodies the number of affective variables play a facilitative. Finally, the less important natural order hypothesis is based on research findings which suggested that the acquisition of grammatical structure follows natural order which is predictable. And the last one theory is the sociocultural theory. This theory was originally coined by Wirtz Chin, and according from him, this theory is the notion that human mental function is from participating cultural medication integrated into social activities. That's how language acquisition takes place in every theory. So, this is the end of my discussion, guys. I hope you learned something in this video. See you in my next discussion. Bye-bye!